Hello， 你好，我是 Katrina. Welcome to Smart Mandarin video lesson. In today's video lesson, we are going to talk about result complement in Mandarin Chinese. So this result complement is equivalent to HSK 2 or HSK 3 level. So it sounds kind of professional and confusing. But don't worry, I'm going to explain what is result complement and teach you how to use it in daily Mandarin Chinese. But before I dive into that, I want to let you know that this topic, result complement, is a huge grammatical point which I actually made a lot of videos in depth in my HSK 2 video course. So if you want to watch the whole video lesson, you should go to the link down below. And if you want to follow me on Instagram to see my daily update at work or follow Smart Mandarin, you can follow me on Instagram right here. So now let's dive into the topic. First of all, what is result complement? Well, easily put is that in Mandarin, we like to tell people the result of our action. For example, you want to buy a drink, okay? The action is to buy, but what is the result of the action? Did you buy the drink or you didn't? So you want to buy the drink, but the result may be that the drink sold out, so you didn't buy the drink. So we want to use Mandarin, the word result complement, to express the result of this action. In Mandarin, there are a lot of result complement words, but I'm going to teach you some very important ones in this video and in other videos in my HSK 2 course. So now, let's dive in. The first one is 见. 见, as you know, that is to see, right? So how do you use this? First of all, you have to put verb and then 见. Okay, 见 is to see. So it means that you achieve the purpose of your sense. What's that? Okay, let me give you some example. So for example, if you say 看见, 看 is to see, right? 见 is that you achieve the seeing, 看, this action. So for example, you could say 我看见陈老师了. I saw teacher Chen. 我看见陈老师了. So what's the difference between 我看陈老师 and 我看见陈老师了? If you say 我看陈老师, it's just a simple action like I see 陈老师, or you could say 我要看陈老师, I want to see. But if you emphasize the result of the action that I saw 陈老师, I saw teacher Chen, you need to use 看见. 我看见陈老师了. You can have a small conversation. For example, you could say 你看见陈老师了吗? Did you see teacher Chen? 你看见陈老师了吗? Did you see teacher Chen? So here the question I'm asking is the result. Did you see teacher Chen or not? I know you want to see him, but did you see him or not? 你看见陈老师了吗? So you answer the question naturally. 我看见陈老师了. 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 So you answer this question, yeah, I saw teacher Chen. The result of this action is positive. So how about if you want to say, I didn't see 陈老师, I didn't see teacher Chen. I want to see him, but I didn't see him. In this case, you could say, 我没看见陈老师. I didn't see teacher Chen. So I want to see him, but the result is I did not. So you use the negation 没有 没 我没看见陈老师. 你看见陈老师了吗? 我没看见陈老师. And the other verb you can use is 听 to listen. 听见 听见. If you want to ask a person, did you hear that? 你听见了吗? Or you could say, did you hear what I say? 你听见我说的话了吗? Did you hear what I say? I want to know, did you hear? Did you really hear? So, 你听见 我说的话了吗？ Did you hear what I say? 说话 means to talk. The things that I say. 你听见我说的话了吗？ Oh, you could say, oh, 对不起，我没听见你说的话。Sorry, I didn't hear what you say. Maybe I was spacing out. So, 对不起，我没听见你说的话。Sorry, I didn't hear you. 对不起，我没听见你说的话。Or you can simply just say, 我听见了 I heard it. 我听见了 I heard it. 我听见了 So we have 看见 and 听见 The other one is to smell when This is the verb when So you could say 闻见 Okay, like you smell something. The 见, if you use the result complement 见, you have to put with the sensory verb. What is sensory verb? To see, to smell, to listen. 闻见 is to smell, right? So you smell something. But I have to say that in Taiwan, if you say 闻见, we don't really say that. I don't know why. We don't say 闻见. So first I heard other teachers are teaching 闻见. I'm like, maybe Chinese people they say 闻见, but in Taiwan we don't really say 闻见 a lot. But I still have to teach that. Yes, so 闻见 to smell. 你闻见臭豆腐的味道了吗? Did you smell the smell of stinky tofu? Did you smell stinky tofu? 你闻见臭豆腐的味道了吗? Did you smell stinky tofu? 你闻见臭豆腐的味道了吗? Okay, so that's 闻见. So if you want to answer that, you could say 我闻见了 I smell that. 我闻见了 Or you could say 我没闻见 I did not smell that. 我没闻见 So here you have it. The first result complement of this video lesson is 见 So you have to put the sensory verb which are only 3. 看, 听, and 闻 That's it. And you put 见 So to achieve the purpose of the action. The second result complement is 起. This one is easier to understand, okay? 起 means to afford. So if you want to say you can afford something or you cannot afford doing something, you could use the result complement 起. Let me give you some examples. 买得起买 is to buy. 得 is able to. So 买得起 means able to buy. So you're able to afford it. Okay? If you want to know what is 得 here, I have one video lesson in my HSK 2 course, which you can take a look on my Teachable. So 买得起 is able to afford. Able to afford. So 起 is the result complement afford. 买 is the action, so you're able to afford this action by. Example, 我买得起那辆车 I'm able to buy that car. 我买得起那辆车 I can afford that car. So 我 is the subject. 买得起 I'm telling you that I'm able to afford 那辆车 So the opposite is I cannot afford. So you would say 我买不起那辆车 不 is the negation word. So 我买不起 I cannot afford 那辆车 that car. So here is how you say can afford to buy or cannot afford to buy. 买得起 can afford to buy. 买不起 cannot afford to buy. Or you can make a question. 你买得起名牌的东西吗？你买得起名牌的东西吗？ Here, 名牌 is name brand, like famous brand, Gucci, Prada, whatever, okay? 名牌的东西 brand name, famous brand name things. So, 你 you 买得起 can or cannot afford 名牌的东西吗 is yes no question. 你买得起名牌的东西吗 So here's how you make this question. You could also use different verbs. For example, 吃得起 Well, afford to eat, okay, affordable to eat. 我吃得起牛肉面 I can afford eating beef noodle soup, okay. 我吃得起牛肉面牛肉面 is beef noodles with soup. Beef noodle soup, I believe that's how you say that. 牛肉面 So, 我吃得起牛肉面 means that I'm able to, I can afford eating this, okay? So, 我吃得起牛肉面 But you could also say, 他吃不起牛排他吃不起牛排 He cannot afford eating a steak. 牛排 means steak. So 他吃不起牛排 In this case, you switch your verb to 吃 So you cannot afford eating something. Next code verb, 好 How, it means good. But as a result, complement with the verb means that to do something well, to do something properly. For example, 我要把中文学好。我要 I want to 把中文 Okay, we had the word 把 in our HSK 2 lesson. You can take a look at here. 中文 is the object. 学 is to learn. 学好 to learn well. So I'm not only just to learn Mandarin Chinese. I want to learn it well. I want to master it. I want to learn it properly, learn it well. So 我要把中文学好 So this is the information you're going to give the listener that not only I want to learn Mandarin Chinese, I also want to learn it well, okay? 我要把中文学好 Or you could use without 把 You could say 我要学好中文学好 Learn well, learn properly Learn to the level that I'm satisfied or good enough So 学好我要把中文学好 Or 我要学好中文 Next example I can think of is when the mother see the children or kids having a messy room. The mother would say, 把房间收拾好。房间 is the room, the bedroom. 房间收拾 means to tidy up. So tidy up your room. 把房间收拾好。So 收拾 is to tidy. How is the result? I not only want you to tidy your room, I want you to tidy your room well. Okay? 把房间收拾好。把房间收拾好。Okay? So use 把 here is a command which you could go back to our lesson in this course and you will see how to use 把. Okay, so 把房间收拾好。Or you could say without 把收拾好你的房间 tidy up well your room 收拾好你的房间收拾好你的房间 I know this is very difficult to digest and because this grammar is so different from other languages but I still hope that you understand the concept and idea of result complement. If you like this video, I want to ask you to do one thing. I want you to take a snapshot of this video. Please share the snapshot to your Instagram story and tag Smart Mandarin so you can support me, support my lesson, and share my lesson to many other peoples. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。